9th class rational number exercise 1C MCQ question number 1 MCQ A. If x equal to root 5 minus 2 x plus 1 by x equal to, you have to find x plus 1 by x. How can you find x plus 1 by x? Now see, how can you rationalize the denominator? How can you rationalize the denominator? Here is given x equal to root 5 minus 2. Here is given x equal to root 5 minus 2 and you have to find out 1 by x plus 1 by x. To find out x plus 1 by x, what you have to do? You have to do rationalize the denominator. Now this is your x equal to root 5 minus 2. 1 by x means 1 by root 5 minus 2. Now this is your root 5. How? Here is root 5. Rationalize means in denominator there is no root over. Okay. So to clear this root over, you have to multiply this root over. How can you cancel a root over? Anything. If this is your root a, how can you cancel root over? Root a power 2 equal to a. Okay. Root over will be cancelled if there is a square. So root a power 2 is your a. Now we have to cancel this one, this root. How can you cancel this one? This is your root 5 minus 2 means your a. Now here is root 5 minus 2. Take root 5 as a and 2 as b. So this is your a minus b. Now root 5 minus 2 into root 5 plus 2. You have to multiply a. This is your a minus b. You have to multiply a plus b in numerator and denominator. That is your a minus b into a plus b means your a square minus b square. A square minus b square means root 5 square minus 2 square. Root 5 square is your root over and square will be cancelled. That is only 5. So this is your 5 minus 4, that is 1. So denominator is rationalized. There is no root over in the denominator. Now this is your 1 by x is your root 5 plus 2 and x is root 5 minus 2. Now x plus 1 by x is root 5 minus 2 plus root 5 plus 2, that is minus 2 plus 2 cancel. So root 5 plus root 5 is 2 root 5. Class rational number exercise 1C MCQ question number 1B. Given x equal to 1 plus root 2, you have to find x plus 1 by x whole square. X plus 1 by x whole square, how can you find x plus 1 by x whole square? You see, this is your x equal to 1 plus root 2. 1 by x equal to 1 by 1 plus root 2. We have to multiply 1 minus root 2 in numerator and denominator. Why? This is your a plus b. If we multiply a minus b, this will be a square minus b square. A square minus b square, then this will be root 2 square, root over and square will be cancelled. So to cancel the root over, we have to multiply this one with 1 minus root 2 in numerator and denominator. That is your 1 minus root 2. Here is 1 plus root 2 into 1 minus root 2 is 1 square minus root 2 square, that is a square minus b square. Now this is your 1, root 2 square is 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Now this is your 1 minus root 2 by minus 1. 1 minus root 2 by minus 1. Now this is your multiply minus 1. If you multiply minus 1, it will be how much? If you multiply minus 1, this will be root 2 minus 1. Here is minus 1, multiply numerator with minus 1, that is your root 2 minus 1. Now x plus 1 by x whole square equal to how much? X means your x is your 1 plus root 2 given. 1 by x is root 2 minus 1. So 1 plus root 2 plus root 2 minus 1. 1 cancelled. Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2, 2 root 2 square. 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2. So this is your 4 into 2 is your 8. Now MCQ question number C. This is given. You have to find out the value of this one. In denominator, this is your 4 root 3. You have to multiply root 3 in numerator and denominator. That is, here is root 3 into root 3 is your 3. Here is root 3. You have to multiply this root 3 to this one, whole this one. So root 3 into this one, that is 2 into root 27 into root 3 plus 3 into root 12 into root 3. 3 into root 12 into root 3. Now this is your 4 into 3 is your 4 into 3. this is your root 27 into root 3. Root 27 into root 3 is your 27 into 3. फिर इसमें क्या करोगे, रूट ओवर ऑफ 27 इंटू 3 प्लस दिस इज योर 3 इंटू रूट ओवर ऑफ 12 इंटू 3. So this is your 12 into 3 means how much? 36. This is 12 into 3 means root 36. This is 27 into 3 means root 81. Now 2 is 4. So this is your 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Now root 81 is your 9 and 32 root of 36 is 6. 3 is 18. 9 plus 18 is your 27 by 6. Now this is your 3. 9 is your 27. 3 2 is 6. So this is your 9 by 2. Now question number D. Root 5 minus root 3 whole square. Root 5 minus root 3 whole square is your a minus b whole square, that is your a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Here is a square means root 5 square, b square means root 3 square, minus 2 into a means root 5, b means root 3. Now root 5 square is 5, root 3 square is 3, minus 2, root 5 into root 3 means root over of 5 into 3. This is your 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 2 root 15. This is your 2, take out common 2. This is your 4 minus root 15. Now E. E is your given 3 by 4 plus root 7. Now 4 plus root 7 is in your denominator. What you have to do? You have to rationalize the denominator. How can you rationalize the denominator? You have to multiply 4 minus root 7 in numerator and denominator. That is your 4 minus root 7 is your 4 minus root 7. Now multiply 3 to this 4 minus root 7, that is your 3 into 4 is 12 minus 3 into root 7. Now this is your a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. 4 square is 16, root 7 square is 7. 16 minus 7 is 9. Now take out common 3. 3 4 is 12, so this is 4 and 3 is the common. Now this is root 7, 4 minus root 7. 3 3 is 9, 4 minus root 7 by 3 is your answer. Now question number F. Question number F is very simple. Denominator is your 7 minus root 5. You have to multiply numerator and denominator with 7 plus root 5. Now 7 minus root 5 into 7 plus root 5 is your 7 square minus root 5 square. 7 square is 49. Root 5 square is your 5. So 49 minus 5 is your 44. Numerator is 7 plus root 5. Denominator is 44. Now question number G. X equal to root 2 minus 1 given. Find x minus 1 by x whole square. How can you find x minus 1 by x whole square? First 1 by x. X equal to root 2 minus 1. 1 by x equal to 1 by root 2 minus 1. You have to rationalize the denominator. To rationalize the denominator, you have to multiply root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1, numerator and denominator. This is your a minus b into a plus b form. So this is your a square minus b square, that is root 2 square minus 1 square. Root 2 square is your 2, 2 minus 1 is your 1. So this is your root 2 plus 1 only. Root 2 plus 1 is your 1 by x, and you have to find out x minus 1 by x whole square. How can you find x minus 1 by x whole square? To find x minus 1 by x whole square, write down x is your root 2 minus 1 minus 1 by x is your root 2 plus 1. Now multiply minus 2 root 2 plus 1. This is your root 2 minus 1. Then minus 1 will be multiplied. That is your minus root 2 minus 1. Now this is root 2. This is minus root 2 cancelled. Minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 square is your 4. So answer is your 4. Now MCQ question number H. 5 minus root 7 by 5 plus root 7 minus 5 plus root 7 by 5 minus root 7. Now this is your 5, take out the LCM. This is your 5 plus root 7 and 5 minus root 7. LCM will be 5 plus root 7 into 5 minus root 7. It will be LCM. Now divide this one to this one. What will the answer is your 5 minus root 7 is quotient, means if you this is your LCM is divided denominator divided by the denominator. So this divided by this is your 5 minus root 7. So here is 5 minus root 7 will be multiplied to 5 minus root 7. Now this is LCM and this is your denominator. So LCM divided by denominator is your 5 plus root 7. 5 plus root 7 will be multiplied to this one. Now 5 minus root 7 is multiplied here and 5 plus root 7 is multiplied here. Now 5 minus root 7 into 5 minus root 7 is 5 minus root 7 whole square. 5 plus root 7 into 5 plus root 7 is 5 plus root 7 whole square. Now this is your a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is 5 square is 25, root 7 square is 7. And this is your a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square. What is the formula for a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square? Can you say the formula a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square? Now see, this is the formula is minus 4ab. How minus 4ab? See, a minus b whole square is your a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now this is minus. Now minus a square minus b square, this is minus 2ab. So a square plus b square and this is your minus a square minus b square cancelled, minus 2ab is your minus 4ab. So this is your minus 4ab. Minus 4ab means your how much? Minus 4 into a. A means your 5, b means root 7. Minus 4ab by this is 25 minus 7. 25 minus 7 is your 18. Now this is your minus 20 root 7. Then come 2 10 ja 20, 2 9 ja 18. So this is your minus 10 by 9 root 7.